So we've left the trap out here for a few days and nights with some rotten fruit. Pretty much lost all hope. Yeah, he pooped in our yard for sure. We caught ourselves a possum. Look at that guy. He's scared to shit. Oh, he's flashing some teeth. Oh man, I am like super afraid to get near that guy. He looks very unhappy. Look at that tail, my lord. All right, let's release this guy. Watch out. Not gonna hurt you, fella. Just want to get you out of here. All right, little friend. We're gonna let you out somehow.
Excuse me, Daddy?
Hold on a sec. I'm trying to free this possum here. Damn it, I can't get in there. Yep. Okay, he wants to go. All right, we're gonna let him out. He wants to get out. Move out of the way. This is probably dangerous to have a small baby here. Oh, Jesus. No, no, don't touch the cage. You may go. Come on, just get out. Hey, buddy. You're free to leave. You're no longer caged. Go. Go. Now, run. No, you're looking the other way. Hey, you're free to go. Come on. Get out of there. Boy, this thing doesn't want to leave now. Go. Get out of here. Hey, don't you flash me those teeth. Leave. Leave. You freeloader. Why don't you want to go for it? Hey, jabroni, let's get out of here. Come on. Go. Get out. Ah! Boy, you smell bad. He really doesn't want to leave his cage at all. This is really nuts. I don't know how I'm going to get him out of there. Will you go already? Leave. 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 Get out of here. Go. Out the door. Go to your home. Go to your home. Okay, bye. I'll see you later. I'm going. I'm leaving. You can do what you want. You go. Okay. You can go. 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 Come on. Leave. Get out of here. Please. I really don't. You're going to get stung by some bees, man. Look at those bees. They want you. Go. Get out of here. Shoo. Get out of here. Hey. Go. 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 What? All right, Possum boy. Last chance. Get out now while you still can. Go. Shoot. Get out. Go. Come on. You know how to get out of there. Oh my God. Look at this mess you made. Go. You got it. Come on, little friend. Here we go. Go. There you go. Run. Away. No, no, no. Not under there. Damn it. Shit. Oh my goodness. What a mess. Boy, those possums, they party hard. Oh my Lord. All because of that stupid groundhog. Yuck. Disgusting. Be gone! Vile filth.